how to create broadcast channel on Instagram. In order to do so, you may follow up these simple steps. So open up your Instagram application first, and you may go to the direct messages by tapping on the messenger icon in the top right corner of your home screen. After tapping on it, you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, you may tap on the pencil or the pad icon at the top right corner to start a new message. So just go ahead and tap on it. And then after that, in this new message right below the search bar, you should be finding a create a broadcast channel option. Go ahead and choose that option from the menu. After that, tap on get started. Once you tap on it, you need to enter a name for your channel. Decide if you want it to be displayed on your profiles and select your target audience. For example, all followers or specific following. So just go ahead and follow the steps. You have the toggle option on. You can use that to basically decide if you want it to be displayed on your profile. After that is done, just go ahead and finalize the setup, and Instagram will prompt you to send your first message to invite followers and start engaging. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to basically create a broadcast channel on Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe.